Greetings to you all from my side. I am back with one more unique topic from our subject Bios Logos, in the sense biology. Here we have the topic is genetic code. So what the genetic code is belongs to, in the sense nucleic acids. Generally all types of organisms, they are made by nucleic acids in their cells. Unicellular, in the sense we can call that nucleic acids like genome or genophore, nothing but genetic material. But coming to our higher organisms, in our human body especially, all cells they contain two types of nucleic acids. One is deoxyribonucleic acid DNA, second one is ribonucleic acid RNA. Then what is the major change between this DNA and RNA in the cells? The base pair sequences. Adenine combined with thymine, guanine combined with cytosine, that is DNA. If adenine combines with uracil and guanine combines with the cytosine, that is RNA. So due to the presence of this thymine in a DNA is more stable than RNA. That's the scientific reason. In RNA, uracil is there because that is slightly not stable than the DNA. The remaining things are the same. Both nucleic acids, they are having equal and unique characteristic features. Let's see. The main topic is genetic code. This genetic code is the responsible for the characters or appearance or the behavior of a particular organism. The first one is always genetic code in the form of triplets. Triplets. Take an example, AUG. So in the form of triplets, the genetic code will be represented. Each and every triplet is known as codon. So these codons are made by triplet, nothing but 3 nucleotides sequences. So second one is unambiguous. What is meant by unambiguous? In a sense, each and every codon or the triplet only code the particular amino acid in the universe. That is considered as the genetic code is unambiguous. Sometimes genetic code or the codon is degenerate. What is meant by degenerate? In the sense, very rare. One amino acid can be coded by more than one genetic code or codon, because that is known as degenerate phenomenon. Then always this genetic code is universe. Each and every triplet is universe. It only code one type of amino acid. Then this genetic code always read in the fashion of mRNA, that is known as a contiguous fashion. Always this mRNA contiguous fashion wise, this genetic code will be read in an organisms. Then coming to punctuations. There are no punctuations, there are no full stops, there are no commas, there are no apostrophe, there are no inverted commas, etc. These all are not accepted, not allowed. That's the rule, a type of rule in the genetic code. So no punctuations. We have total 20 amino acids. These 20 amino acids are coded by 64 codons, genetic code, 64 types. Among the 64 types, 61 types are active. They code the particular amino acid, but three codons, they never code any type of amino acids, because those 3 codons are known as stop codons. These are stop codons. Only 61 codons, they involve in the recognition or identification of particular amino acid. Then this is a proof. Genetic code is universal for all organisms. So bacteria to human beings, unicellular organism, prokaryote, bacteria to higher organisms, multicellular organisms, eukaryotes. UUU, in the sense, this codon indicates phenylalanine. I hope everybody you understood this small topic, genetic code. One more day I shall meet you with one more unique topic. By the way, this is Mr Karthikeyan, mentor come educator in NEET and EAP set and all types of competitive classes. Thank you. Signing off.